Today I'm looking at 2010 Toyota Yaris. I had a problem with the alternator belt. It was noisy and squeaking. I took it off. I inspected, and it wasn't cracked. It wasn't worn out. So I decided to just tighten it up to make sure that it would be fine. And it got worse. It got louder. So then I thought the alternator belt was probably done, and I replaced it for a new one. I went to the auto parts. I installed a new alternator belt, and it just got louder and louder and louder. So I was thinking, what could be the problem? What could be going wrong with this alternator belt thing? So I was looking at all the possibilities of what could have gotten wrong, and I found that the battery had the terminals corroded. Basically, the positive terminal was pretty corroded. So I decided to clean it up. Baking soda. So basically, that did the job. Right after that, I put everything back on, tied up the terminal on the positive, and then I started the engine again. It was pretty quiet, no more noisy or squealing alternator belt. So what was causing all the noise was the alternator not charging completely or fully the battery because of the corrosion. And yeah, the alternator was overworking. The pulley on the alternator was pretty tight, obviously, because it was just trying to recharge the battery, but was not able because of the corrosion. So yeah, check the terminals before you get to the conclusion of replacing the alternator belt. Unless it's worn or cracked, then you got to replace it. But otherwise, if the alternator belt looks pretty good, then check your battery terminals, and they could probably be dirty, and that would solve your problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.